This tutorial will show you how to find the sample and/or population standard deviation of a data set. Now, I'm going to be doing problem 79, which just asks for the sample standard deviation. To go along with the other tutorials, I'm also going to find X bar or the mean, Q2 or the median, the sample standard deviation, and the population standard deviation with the calculator. Okay, my data set here is on my left-hand side. You can verify it in the book with problem number 79. First thing I need to do, as always, is input the data. So we hit the Stat button, 1 for edit. Make sure your edit menu is highlight, 1 for edit. We're going to clear out the old data set by highlighting L1, hitting the clear button, hitting the down arrow, it clears out. I'm now going to input the new data. Notice the wide range of numbers, anywhere from 2 to 3 digits, to 4 digits actually. There's one 4-digit there. Okay, what this is going to do, it's going to make the standard deviation larger because there's a wider spread between each of the data items. The closer the data items are together, the smaller the standard deviation. I entered all the data. Now I'm going to do the descriptive statistics. Hit my Stat button, arrow over to Calc, select 1, hit Enter. X bar is 292.76. Sum of X is sum of X squared. If you want to look at it, that's fine. Notice how big S of X and omega of X is. Mainly because you have 2,480, you have some really large numbers and some really small numbers. So S of X is 586.32. Omega of X is 568.81. Q2 or the sample size, N is 17. Q2 or the median is 83. Now notice the difference here. X bar and the median. Because X bar is the average and median is the middle score, there's a wide difference between the two because of the wide range of numbers. Okay, so the average gives you a more actual average of all the data points, where the median score 83 is much smaller. This will probably give you, now if you recall in the book, when the median is to the left of the mean, okay, when the median is to the left of the mean, generally speaking, you're talking about, if you recall, a shape of right skewed as far as the sampling distribution. But if you would plot them on a chart, because 86 is small, the mean is much larger. Mean's going to be somewhere in here. The median's going to be somewhere in there. Okay, it's going to look something like this. This is actually a right skewed, it's opposite of what we would expect, distribution. If the median was to the right, okay, the median was to the right, it'd be over this side, it'd be a left skewed distribution. Okay, but the discrepancy between X bar and the median is because of the wide discrepancy between the data points. This concludes my tutorial on standard deviation, population standard deviation, and average, mean, and median.